Hello, today we are going to solve again a LeetCode problem. Okay, so I didn't see a problem. Okay, so let's first create the date, which is 26 underscore 07 underscore 2026 dot py file. Yes, now let's just see the LeetCode. Okay, so today we are also going to solve the problem of the day. Okay, so today's problem I will see. Okay, I will take as much time as I can. Okay, before that I just should just delete. Okay, it is also a easy problem. I don't know why. Okay, so why can't it open? Okay, I just should delete yesterday's video to find some storage. Yeah, 8 GB, more than enough for today. Okay, so let's start with the today's problem. Let me just copy with the here so I can solve it. Okay, so this is a problem. Given a array nums, find the three numbers whose product is maximum and return that maximum product. So 1 2 3, which will be 6. 2 3 4, which is 6. 6 and 6 into 4, 24. Correct. 3, so yeah, minus 6. Correct. So I have to give three numbers. Okay, so yes, more than 3. Okay, we have to find just like yesterday. Okay, I know what we did yesterday, but I'm not going to like look for that solution today. Okay, so yeah, let's just write some input will be this, and output will be 6. Also if okay, I think I didn't create the solution. Okay, and let's start max product input 1 is equal to the output 1, and print, which is be test 1 passed, and else I have to print. I'm going to like, yeah, I just see the result. Okay, so result of okay, result 1. And just need to type the result 1, and also have to find the f, and test 1 is failed because of result 1. Okay, now right, 3. Okay, I have to find 3 numbers which can give me the output, which is 6. So I have to find, first of all, I know I have to find, or I can sort, right? Okay, so now sort nums dot, okay, sorted, I think sorted nums. Is it going to Okay, so is it return a new list? Okay, okay. It is going to be return a new list. So for that I need an snum. Okay, sorted num, and I have to give the, okay, if it is a sorted, then it will start from the lowest to highest, right? Lowest to highest. Okay, so then I have to find the length also. So n will be the length of nums, and first of all I need nums of n minus 1 into nums of n minus 2 and nums of n minus 3. Sorry, n minus 3. It's 3. Yes. Okay, also I need using from types import list. Okay, let's just see the code. So 2607. Okay, not in the list. Import list from types. Shit. Okay, from types import list. Let now see. Okay, that is okay. From types import list. Typings. Okay. Typing. Okay, test 1 passed. Let's just do test 2 also. Okay, so I'm write this. Okay, let it be input 2 and that output is 24. Shit. Let's just see with the what am I even typing. Okay, result 2 is equal to s dot max product input 2 if result 2 is equal to output 2, then print test 2 passed, and else print okay test 2 failed because of result 2. Okay, let's just see. Okay, yes. Okay, it is worked as expected. Let's just like submit right now. So just wait a minute. You know how I use yes name? I never used it, right? I have to write yes, right? Here I have to use yes, not nums. Num. Okay, I don't know what is happened, but let's see. Okay. Okay, accepted all the test cases. Let us submit it now. to see. Okay, wrong input. Okay, so oh yeah, now I get it. It is sorted. Okay, and it is already sorted, but the max. Okay, I get expected this much. How can I get this much? Output is what is even happening? Minus into minus plus, right? And then I can do 2 or 3 or even 4. So let's just do this and this thing. Okay, so I need a calculator. Okay, very slow, but yeah, that's okay. So minus 100 into minus shit into 98. Okay, so this is positive. Okay, 39200 divided by what is 9800. Okay, so yes, so this problem used these two and these three. Okay, so how can I don't even okay, yeah, yes, actually the problem is correct. Okay, I didn't even like see the exact output. Should I have to find subarray? I don't think so. Should I find the subarray to find the maximum number? But okay, what I need to do? ChatGPT. Sorry, I know I'm using ChatGPT, but I have to find a way. Okay, okay, temporary, please. Okay. I'm just going to answer. Okay. How to track the max product in array of two elements max product? How to track it in DSA? Okay, minus 200. That is correct. But how can I track it? Minimum and a maximum. So, but how to like track that elements from? Should I just go with the left to right as a two pointer? I don't think so. I have to use pointer for it, or I should, but I don't know. Yes, you have to not for the two pointer, but what if the what if I need three elements max product? I can see the two or three even, but okay, so max 1, max 2, max 3. Max 1, which is Yox, is bigger than max 1. So max 3 will be max 2. Max 2 will be max 2. Max 2. Max 3 will be max 2. Max 2 will be max 3. Max 1 will be max 2. X will be max 1. Else x is less than max 2. Then max 2 will be max 3 and max 1 else. Okay, I have to find, how can I find, and also lastly I have to give, okay, let's just try as it says. Okay, I have to find max 1, max 2, max 3. Okay, so that will be infinite. So float of minus infinite. How to write infinite? How to write negative infinite in Python? Oh yeah, did I write correct? Yes, I write correct. Also this one. Actually I can use Claude. I have a Fable subscription also. I'm a max user. Okay, should I use max version? Like I can use it though. Fable, but I don't want right now. I just want to be practice on my own. Okay, so yes, I got the 3 and I like, okay, let's just see. I'll question something, but I have to find those elements whose uh, product is max, not those element who is max. Exactly, you don't care. I don't care which element is independently, Raj. I need just the elements whose compatible max product is maximum. Okay, so write the restriction. Okay, so yes, so max, oh, I have to maintain minimum. Okay, don't I need, sorry, product 1, product 2 max. Okay, minimum 1, minimum 2 and max. Okay, yes, I also need to minimum numbers. Again, minimum 1 will be my float. What is that float? Float will disclose as infinite because I'm sending that to as, sorry, shit, minimum 2, and let's just write a for loop or in the range. Okay, to find the n, which is the length of nums, and to find get, then yeah, and I think yes. Okay, and if my nums of I is greater than my max 1. Okay, then I'm going to give max 3 will be my max 2, and my max 2 will be max 1, and the max 1 will be my nums of I. As per the, okay, I have to write here again a condition here, which is, will be my nums is higher than my max 2. Yes, and if I find that, then my max 2, actually my max 1, right, or max 3. Okay, how can I max 3? Okay, max 3 will be my max 2. My max 2 will be my nums of I. And also else what I will do here, max 3, okay, else max 3 will be my nums of I. Okay, and I have to find also the minimum. Okay, so first minimum will be my nums of I is less than the minimum 1. Okay, so I have to find minimum 1, actually minimum 2 will be my minimum 1, and minimum 1 will be my nums of I. Okay, and else, because I need to find only the 2 elements, so that will be just nums of I. Okay, else if my nums of I is less than my minimum of 2, okay, and then I have to find the product. So my product 1 will be max. Okay, so max 1 into max 2 into max 3, and also, okay, sorry, my next product will be 2, which is max 1 into the minimum 1 and minimum 2. Okay, and yes, I think if I found the product 1 is greater than my product 2, then I have to just return product. Or I can, I think else I will return just product 2. Let's just see the test cases failed. Okay, those are positive numbers. Okay, by the way. Okay, let's just give the function to the chat GPT. What is the problem here? I write it correct, right? Just point out the line which is a mistake. Shit. Yes, very close. Else is wrong. Max 3. You should be update max 3 if the current element is actually bigger than max 3. So else if, okay, I have to write else if my nums of I actually greater than my, okay, and then again infinity. Okay, I get it. Return inside a for loop. I written shit. Why am I doing it? Shift tab. Okay. Okay, test case passed. Let's just do this and let's see if it is worked or not. Okay, let's just do. Okay, I can use Claude later. Yeah, 3 test cases passed. Let's just do. Okay, sorry, I pressed the wrong key. Okay, now I think it is going to submit. Okay, yes, I passed it, but it is worst case. I don't know why, but it is worst case. By the way, I understand the problem, but why my solution is very much slow? Like, I know. Let's just see what are the other codes. Max one is fruit. Yes, correct. I can write also this. Then nums of num. Okay, and num is greater than max one. Then update. Yeah, I write this the same. Okay, same. I write same here. Else also minimum. Yes, same and same. So I written the max. What the hell? I write the same code, just little bit up and down. But I probably okay. Should I remove the product? Should I remove the product and just return the max? Okay, I will do that. If you want that, I will do that. Okay, so return the max of this, comma this. Do you want that? Let's do that. Okay. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah. Significantly better, but still not good as it is. Yeah, I mean, like, I used. Okay, let's just assign these as only one line. Okay, for that, I will use. Yes, just to use this and use this. And then also this. Okay, I think I can. Okay, what is the problem here in infinity? What is problem? Cannot unpack on turtle float object. What do you mean by non-operator float object? What is even mean at? Okay, let me just see. Max 1, max 2. What is wrong here? You wrote the same problem is here. Left side expect. Oh yeah. Don't you write also? Is equal to I write. Oh yeah. Okay, sorry. Equal to also is equal to. Now let's see. Yeah. Okay, submitted. I seen here just a second ago. Okay, but it is far better. Can I also lose something? What is even he's doing? I write the same code. I don't know why. What is wrong with me? I just use the index instead of the actual value. I'm accessing the element by index, not the actual element. It can be like accessible time. Should I do that or nah? Okay. Memory wise, product 1, length 3. Oh shit. Wait. Product 1, if the length is 3, for in the range, product return. Num sorted, yan length, product 1 which will be okay. Yan minus 1 and okay, but why 0, 1 and minus 1 here? Because of the last one? Because of the second last one? Because of the increment? Yeah, it will be 0. Yeah, correct. Yeah, that's good. I think that's great, to be honest. Yeah, but I solved it. There is no other question. Okay, I solved it on my own and I did it. Okay, what is the recording? Let's see. 31 minutes record time. Last time I do, it will be like 45 minutes, but I do it in 30 minutes. So yeah, congrats, and I will stop here. Bye.